it. So he's like thinking of a way out of it, and then he's like, "No, I'll go get it."
You got to check out this guy, Mattimo. Yeah, Mattimo's Arcade.
I don't know enough about his methods. I would love to talk to him one day.
What's up, gang? We're at the arcade at the casino in St. Charles. Top golf. Haven't seen this one before. Pac-Man. Ball cranes. Guitar Hero. Keymaster. Cool little Game Boy thing over there. Monster Drop. Black and Wind. Giant piano keys. Pretty big area. Wonder Ball, never heard of that one either. New and updated basketball. Big crane. Medium-sized knobby balls. Quick drop. A halo. Pretty cool. I haven't played this yet. Jurassic Park. Ooh, there's a multi-cade hidden over in the corner. Like the ball top on it. This is like a speed pitch. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that before either. And a football. 2 supercars. Fishbowl Frenzy. Big bass wheel. Some ice ball. Deal or no deal. Same stuff every day. 2 right here are going to be ground and 5 volt. So what do we get here? Did I not turn the game on? I didn't turn the game on. I guess that would help. Hang on.
Here it is. A nice little trade. The person I traded got what they wanted. I got what I wanted. And a pretty good deal on it too. Super hang on.
What I want.
That comes later.
Yeah.
Okay. It's on fire.
Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
Well, that's bad.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching.
When you take care of people, people take care of you in this community.
That's the truth.
So everyone, please remember that. Even if we're competitors, we're not enemies.